What is total cost of ownership? Probably the vast majority you already know. Anyone that's in procurement or fleet management, this is how they compare new vehicle purchases. For those of you that are not familiar, or this might be a new concept for, essentially what we're doing, instead of comparing the sticker price of vehicle A and B, we're gonna consider all the factors that are gonna be an expenditure for a vehicle over the life of span of the vehicle. Starting, of course, with that sticker price. Then we're gonna look at maintenance costs of the two vehicle options, fuel consumption / fuel costs for the two vehicles, and we're also going to take a dive into what are potential other costs such as insurance and things like that. And then at the end of the vehicle's life, we're also going to find a residual value, and that's going to complete the whole life cycle from vehicle acquisition to end of life. And that's going to give us one number at the end of the day, how much that vehicle costed in our organization, and we'll compare those two numbers. This, of course, being a Go Electric Fleets program, we are going to be looking at light-duty electric vehicles in this series.
If you want to see more of this conversation, get in touch with us at fleets@pluginbc.ca, and we will direct you to the entire video and also be happy to answer any additional questions you may have.